Okay, so basically we're just gonna pop this off right here. There's a tablet right here. You just pop it off to the left and go inwards, and this will pop out. Okay, so basically it just snaps in. Get this part right here. Push it to the left, push out. You just push right here, left and out, that comes out. Same thing right here. On this side, all you do is just push this in, push this right here in, and then down. And that'll release that. And there's your electrical. Same thing right here. Just push this tab down and release. Okay? So boom, we got our functions off. I'll be right back.